Hello and welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. If you're new here or if you are a returning viewer and you haven't already, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and hit that bell icon. It notifies you guys when I post new videos. And today we are taking a look at Sprezza for June 2018. Not a lot to say in this intro, so with that being said, let's get into it. And here we go. Have a bit of advertisement from Eliza's Craig, and on the back how to make a old-fashioned and a gold rush. I've actually had Elias Craig bourbon in the past, and it is a excellent bourbon. And of course we have the Sprezza card with everything in this month's box. Have a pair of blue and yellow striped Sprezza socks, a yellow Nautica necktie, a Indochino tie clip, have a Lawrence Hunt collar extenders, of course have two of them, weekend casual cufflinks. Very cool. And of course we have this box right here with a flask inside with Elias Craig stamped in leather on the front, and of course there is nothing in it. And there you have it. Sprezzabox for June 2018. So I figured I would at least show you how to style this month's Sprezzabox. We start with the shoes, a pair of Singer wingtip mug straps with the blue and yellow striped socks, a black pair of pants, a blue vest, of course with the yellow tie and the tie clip, with this blue French cuff shirt with the cufflinks, and there you have it. So in closing, Sprezzabox is a monthly subscription box service at $28 a month. Now the box is always valued more than that $28, and June's box, it is no different, with a value of $120. If you're a guy that wants to get interesting and cool ties, socks, and other men's accessories like cufflinks or tie clips, I definitely recommend you check out Sprezzabox. With this all being said, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell icon. It notifies you guys when I post new videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.